Hello there. Look at this USA Mathematics Olympiad question. So there's a square here. So this is a square and it has been dissected into various parts, various fragments, and area of this unit is 34 square unit. Area of this quadrilateral is 42 square unit. Area of this quadrilateral is 30 square unit, and we need to find the area of this in red. Easy. So we need to calculate that. So let's clean it up and let's decide how to calculate. So if you know the answer, then pause the video and comment the correct answer, else stay tuned till the end. So we can divide it further. Yes, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it here, and again we can do it here. So what we are basically doing is we are dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles. Easy. We are dividing it into two triangles. So first do this. So let's divide it into here and then divide it into here. So here let's call it A and let's call it B. And how I'll make you understand that. So this is a scenario like this is here, this is, and this one is like that, and yes, it is like that. Yeah. So we have drawn a system here and we have divided it. So the total area of this quadrilateral, is 30. And now we have made it into two triangles, calling it separate triangles, that is A and B. But look at on this one. Let me change the color so that you can easily get it. So look at this one. Yes, this triangle, because now I've divided into. So the height of this triangle will be this one. So this will be the height of this triangle. Yes, this triangle. And for this triangle, the height will also be the same. For this triangle, the height will also be the same. So here there are two type of triangle here. So this is a explanation here. So this is like that, and one is this one. Yes. So this is the two type triangle. So if you draw the height, so this height will be common. This will be common for both the triangles. So the base are equal. So the base are equal. So this is the base and this is the base. Both are equal and they have the same height also. So height are also equal. So base are equal and height are equal. That means area will also be equal. So we have named it A, we have named it B. So B's area is equal to this one. So this is also B. Easy. So in that logic, how to calculate the others area, let me get back to you here. So this is one. Sorry, let me make it much bigger. Yeah, this is one. So this is A, this is B, and this area is also B. So in that logic, if you do that, the same base, so this will also be, let's call it C, and this is also C. And in the same logic here, this base and this base, let's call it D, and let's call it D. And here in the same logic, this is A, that means this will also be A. Easy. So now we know A plus B is 30. A plus B equals 30 square unit. Then we know C plus B is 34 square unit. C plus B equals 34 square unit, and we know C plus D is 42 square unit. C plus D equals 42 square unit, and we need to calculate D plus A. Yes, we need to calculate D plus A, this one, D plus A. So we need to calculate D plus A equals what? Easy. So let's again make it a much better. Yes. So let's change the color a bit, and then we can move forward. So this is the system. So this is A, and this is D. So we need to calculate A plus D. Now move on. So how can we calculate A plus D? So think like that. So A plus B, B plus C, and C plus D. So here A plus B is 30 and C plus D is 42. So we can write A plus B plus C plus D equals 30 plus 72 equals 42. 42. That means we need to calculate A plus D. So A and D we need to calculate, but we know B plus C or C plus B is 34. Yes, so this can be written as 34. So A plus 34 plus D equals 72. That means A plus D equals 72 minus 34, that is 38. So this is the answer. So the area in the red, this is 38 square unit. So if you know any shortcut formula than this, then please comment down below. And if you know any other tricks which can make this answer in quick time, then also get me know in the comment box. So let me repeat it, let me revise it for you quickly. So what we have done, we have just bifurcated the quadrilateral into two triangles. We have divided the quadrilaterals into two triangles. First we divided that, then we started naming it. We call it, so these two have equal area, so we call it A. Or if these two have equal area, we call it B. We have this equal area, we call it C, and this is also C. And these two have equal area, we call it D and D. So D and D have equal area, C and C have equal area, B and B have equal area, A and A, they have equal area because their base is same. Their base are same and their height is also same. You draw the height. If you draw the height here, you draw the height here, you draw the height here, the height are same. Easy. So after the naming, what we have done, we started calculating the answer. So the names are same. So we know that A plus D is 30, A plus D is 30, B plus A is 34, B plus C is 42, C plus D is 38. Then we got equations. A plus B is 30, C plus D is 34, that is 42. Then we need to calculate D plus A. So to get D plus A, we did A plus B plus C plus D, that is 72, and then B plus C 34, and then finally we got the answer. So just comment down below, did you like the video, did you like my procedure, or if you know any shortcut formula than this, please comment down below. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for such more interesting videos from Mathematics Olympiads. Thank you for your precious time. See you in the next video. Thank you.